Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to find your Apple ID on your iPhone. There are actually a couple of super easy ways to find it. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. Then, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. Right underneath your name, you'll see your Apple ID email address. You'll also find Apple ID settings right below that. Pretty simple, right? Okay, here's another method. Open the App Store. Then look for your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and tap on it. Again, you'll find your Apple ID email address right underneath your name. If you tap on your email address itself, you'll see more Apple ID settings specifically for the App Store. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.